Before building any dashboard, I start by cleaning the dataset in Excel. I fix column sizes, check data types, like making sure age, salary, and years at the company are formatted as numbers, and verify there aren't any missing or out-of-place values. Clean data is the foundation of accurate insights. Now that I loaded the cleaned file into Power BI, here you can see the dashboard and my KPI cards. I already made 2. This is the last one I am making, and I am resizing the cards to add more charts to the dashboard. I created KPI cards to track key HR metrics: average performance score, average job satisfaction, and attrition rate. This gives HR teams a quick snapshot of overall workforce health. Here's a bar chart showing performance by department and a satisfaction chart by gender. I added filters so you can explore by education level or department. For example, marketing has great satisfaction scores but also higher turnover, a key insight for HR strategy. This chart I am making now is the job satisfaction by department. Here I can compare satisfaction by department and gender. Great for understanding employee experience across the company. This is the gender distribution chart. This pie chart breaks down gender distribution across the company. It helps visualize how balanced the workforce is, and highlights where diversity and inclusion efforts may need more attention. The chart I am making now is a line chart called Performance by Tenure. This line chart helps visualize how employee performance changes with years at the company, an important retention metric. Here I am making space for my slicer to filter the charts I have created on the dashboard. I resize the slicer so that it is able to be read when selecting one of the options. And once I am finished fixing the slicer, I then start to click through the slicer to make sure all of the charts are filtered with the slicer. And now we've reached the end. This is the Employee Retention Dashboard for Human Resources. I added interactive filters so HR teams can instantly explore insights by department or education level. There's also a summary box that highlights key findings. For example, marketing and operations show high satisfaction but also higher attrition. That means targeted promotions and engagement strategies could help improve retention. This dashboard helps HR make smarter, data-driven decisions, from promotions to employee engagement planning. I built this in Power BI using DAX measures, data cleaning in Excel, and interactive visuals for clear, actionable insights. If you want your HR data simplified and visualized like this, Siemens Datacraft can help.
Per transaction and discount of the dashboard. Hey everyone, today I want to use my professional investing dashboard.